So in today's video, we will be discussing upon a SaaS idea that we can really help for people. Again, there is no validation or any kind of verification which is done with this idea. It's just like I have it, so I'm going to explain it. Please feel free to research and do a little bit digging inside it before implementation. Now, all my things would be on my blog. The links would be in the description. You can go and check it out. So what is this platform actually explain is that it's just like how other freelancing platforms are, like Fiverr and Upwork and Freelancer and people per hour, but it's more focused to influencer and digital marketing people. For example, let's suppose if you are having an Instagram channel, okay, and you have a page where you have grown a good amount of following and you have a lot of followers inside it. Now again, if someone wants to promote their article or some post, they can directly contact to you, and you can obviously on behalf of him you can post and you can spread, add to your stories and keep the awareness to the people about that product. Now all these things are right now is happening with Instagram, or like a person contact to someone, they do the promotion on behalf of them. But what I'm trying to say is that maybe there can be a marketplace for such influencers where buyers like me, if I have a product, if I have a startups and I want to find a good influencer with whom I can collab and they can actually promote my product. Now, one thing we need to keep in mind is that a lot of time people go and they use some kind of SMM panel. Now, SMM panels are those panels from where you can actually buy the followers, leads and all for your particular social media like Facebook, Instagram, and you can show like, okay, these are the followers, but actually they are just, you have bought it someplace. Now we need to also have some kind of mechanism which is going to give a transparent report to the buyer like me, like how many links has been clicked, how many people has seen, all these things. So let's suppose if tomorrow some influencer is going to promote my product, I'm able to see, okay, these are all the links, these are all the clicks happened, these are all the leads which are generated from his site. Now once these are being generated, then and only I can be directly able to pay that particular influencer on the leads and on the right views that he has generated for my particular product, and then this can happen within the platform. So again, you can actually take the pay cut from it. You can just like how other freelance platform like Fiverr, Upwork, they have their own platform fee, so you can apply those fees and you can take the payout from it. But this could be a very helpful for people like who are doing startups or micro SaaS who want to promote their product, but they are not good into marketing and they don't know how to follow a roadmap. So in this case, it's very easy. They will go to this platform, they will find a good influencer, even an influencer who may not have very high leads. I can start with him. Maybe his prices would be cheap, but if he's delivering me good amount of views and good amount of social media presence, I will definitely go with him. So all these things should be can be incorporated. Another important fact I want to mention in this is that we also need to verify the influencers. So we should not allow any people to directly sign up to the platform and directly make the use out of the become an influencer and start selling the services. So once a manual person has verified their social media page, has seen like, okay, these all followers posts are genuine, it's not buy, then and only that person would be allowed to sell his services as an influencer on the platform. So this was all about in today's video. Please feel free to go and check my blog and please give it a thumbs up. I hope you liked the video.